How to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your restaurant business automatically. So assume that you are running some ads on Facebook for your restaurant business marketing, and you have also created a Facebook lead ad form. So here I'll show you, whenever a new lead is received from your Facebook lead ad form, how to instantly and automatically add the lead along with all details to your spreadsheet in real time. So if you also want to collect your lead data to Google Sheets in real time, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the Facebook page I have created for my restaurant, and this is just for testing purpose, and this is the Facebook lead ad form I have created. And whenever a new lead is arrived, I will show you how to instantly add that lead to your spreadsheet, so that you do not have to manually export the lead data on the daily basis and add to your spreadsheet again and again. But to automate this whole process, firstly we will have to build a connection, build an integration in Facebook lead ad form application and in Google Sheets application, which I am going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your restaurant business. Now select the folder in which you want to create this workflow, and now click on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so this is how you need to always choose your application in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead is arrived via Facebook lead ad application, then instantly add the lead information in Google Sheets application. Okay, so in this way I have selected both the application in the trigger and the action window. And now the idea here is, firstly we will connect a Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the lead data here, and then we will connect to Pabbly Connect with the Google Sheets, and in this way we will send this data. Okay, so let us first connect to Facebook lead ad with the Pabbly Connect. Now simply click on connect, then click on add new connection, then click on this button, and then you will have to provide the access of your Facebook account in which you have created your Facebook lead ad. Okay, I am already logged in my Facebook account, so that is why it is asking me for the permission only, and in this way you will see the authorization will be successful and Facebook application will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and once it is connected, you will see that whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account have started visible here. So firstly I will search for this specific page, that is Sunshine Restaurant and Resort. Okay, give me a second, let me search for the same, and whatever the lead ad form are available inside my page have also started visible here in the drop down. Okay, so first of all I'll show you, basically I'm going to click on this Meta Business Suite, and then I'll show you all my Facebook lead ad forms. Okay, click on this all tools section, and further you will have to click on this instant forms. Okay, I hope it is visible to you. Let me maximize this. Okay, give me a second, let me click here once again, and these are the instant forms. Okay, so here you will notice the name of my page, that is Sunshine Restaurant. All right, and here you can notice my lead ad form. So this is my form, that is Sunshine Restaurant delicious meals at affordable cost. Okay, so let me first close this data because my form is already open here. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and let me select the same form here. Now I'll click on this button save and send test request, and as soon as I do that, you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so firstly I would recommend you to read this note and also visit this documentation if you have any doubt. Okay, so basically it is clearly written here. Please note that after clicking on the save and send test request button, you will need to make a sample submission of your lead generation form by clicking on the preview form button by filling out the form. Now which form? Because currently I am not running any live advertisement. Okay, make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So again, I'm not running any live ads, so I'm going to make use of Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, so this is the documentation I have just opened in front of you, and here you will find the link. You can find the link of this Facebook lead ad testing tool here. In this way you can open this Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, and from the pages I am going to search for the same page. Okay, give me a second. All right, so this is my page, and again I will select the firm name, that is Sunshine Restaurant Delicious Meals at affordable rates. Okay, so now I'll preview this form. Okay, and it is the same form which I have shown you initially. Okay, so how about I close this window, because I have opened the same form here also, and now in front of you I will provide some dummy details, and you will notice the details, the same data will be captured here as a webhook response. Okay, so as an email I will add something like demo@pabblytudes.com. the full name will be dummy user only, the phone number will be 9888888888, and here they are also asking for the food preference, so I'll select this veg. And now finally I am submitting this form, and as soon as the submission is successful here, the same lead data will be received here as a webhook response. Okay, so waiting for the response, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the response is received. Now let me show you the details one by one. Okay, so here is the same preference. Here we have the same dummy email ID, the same dummy name, the dummy phone number, and even the created time. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time a new lead is arrived here, those leads will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, here I'll send this data basically into Google Sheets. Okay, so I will select the action event as add a new row, and just like we have firstly connected Facebook and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect to Google Sheets with the Pabbly Connect. Simply provide the access of your Google Sheets account, but because I have provided this access multiple times, okay, so I am going to reuse those existing connection. Okay, so that is why I'm selecting this existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Google Sheets will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And if you also want to reuse the existing connection, make sure that in the first time you provide the access, and after that you can also use the saved connection. Okay, and here you can notice, because we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are available inside my Google Sheets account have started visible here. So I'll select which specific spreadsheet, that is this restaurant business lead from Facebook ads. Okay, and here you can notice I have a single sheet only, so that sheet has got selected automatically. And as soon as the spreadsheets are selected in Pabbly Connect, whatever the column you have added inside your spreadsheet have started visible here in the Pabbly Connect as the field. Okay, so I think this city is not relevant, so how about I delete this column, and here instead of city I will add this preference of customer. Okay, whether he's interested in vegetarian food or non-vegetarian food. Okay, let me correct this. All right, it is looking good now. And finally I am coming back to the dashboard, and here in order to see the latest changes, simply click on this button, that is refresh, to fetch new items, and now you will be able to see the same updated column, the most recent column. Here you can notice preference of customer. Okay, now from where we are going to provide the data. Okay, so we have already captured the lead data as a response of our trigger step. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy this data and paste below again and again. I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. So it is asking for the lead name, so I have mapped it. Okay, so in the same way I'm going to map other data, but you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details I'm mapping here from the drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time, and if I will provide any detail manually here, that detail will remain same. Okay, so let's say here I have selected the spreadsheets manually from the drop down, so these details will remain same, but the data which I have mapped here will be changed automatically. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and in this way this automation is going to take place. Okay, so I hope I have provided all the data. How about I click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response, and if that response is positive, that means the data has been added to my spreadsheet. And here you can notice in the latest row the same data, the same name, that is dummy user. All right, in my third row also I have captured the same lead data. All right, don't worry, I hope you have understood how to capture the leads in Google Sheets, whether you are collecting the same name or different name. Okay, so this is the same name, the same email address, the same phone number, and the same preference. Okay, so in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, by creating this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect for once, you can automate the lead collection process, that too instantly. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new lead is arrived, the detail of that lead will be added automatically to your spreadsheet. And just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.